can see here a growing cumulonimbus right there. Beautiful structure to it. We might get some strong thunderstorms later. I'm thinking we might, but I wish I had a camera on that kite. Look how high that thing's going. Wow. So we're putting the test to this kite. This offshore thunderstorm. Beautiful shelf cloud. Look at that. Beautiful. And this isn't how dark it really is. This won't always show you the accurate ones. Pretty cool. Growing cumulus out there, and there's a massive shell cloud over there. So, pretty amazing. Right here. So, I don't think there's like much lightning with that, but that's definitely beautiful. That's definitely beautiful. Right there. That's amazing. And if you guys are wondering where this is South Amboy right now. Again, we're having growing cumulonimbus clouds right there. And then a massive shell cloud offshore. Just amazing. This is really really beautiful views right here. Look at that. Just amazing. Again, look at that. Dude, this is... I know I keep saying this, it's so cool, but seriously, like, I can't experience anything like this back over in East Brunswick because I'm not near the shore and you can't see nothing. You can only see stuff like maybe at tops 10 miles away. Really, that's about it. From here, you can literally see all the way to New York City. You can see this storm is mean right now. I'm missing, man. So I'm glad to be out here tonight to be recording this stunning thunderstorm. And just look at this beautiful. We had a shelf earlier. It's freaking cool. Just stunning. I don't care, bro. This is art right here. It's cool. It really is. So these, okay, if you were wondering what type of New Jersey thunderstorms I've been missing, this is exactly it. Everything is positive. And I know some of the videos you didn't see those positive lightning strikes behind the trees. I mean it, they were positive. I mean it. They are very powerful. And we just keep getting missed this year. It's just getting so sickening. This is the stuff that I am getting blatantly missed. There's a crazy lightning show just off South Amboy. Wow, look at that again. Holy smokes, just not giving up, just amazing. Also, I wanted to talk about what happened in Boston. I was like, look at this yellow sky right here. Just an absolute lightning barrage. Oh yeah, I wanted to talk about a little bit. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Wow, look at that. Dude, this is scenery you're not gonna see at my house. No way. Freaking cool. You get a yellow sunset and then a thunderstorm right offshore. You've gotta be kidding me. This is just like so cool. It's even more gorgeous as the lightning. Look at that. Dude, that was, oh my god. Wow. That was insane. That was, whoa. Okay, that was a big one. Woo! These lightning bolts have power. Lightning bolts have power, man. Wow, that's crazy. You're gonna see it. I caught 16. I'm telling you. Yeah, so lightning is becoming a lot more frequent. You can just see the massive cloud offshore. Shelf cloud, massive shelf cloud. And thunderstorm is just getting even more potent. Man, these bugs, I can't. These bugs. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
You can't see this every day. These bugs. God. I wish I bought bug spray with me, but yeah.
Ty jesteś cały pogryziony, zobacz. Ale chodź, masz uczulenie od tego. Chodź.
So I wanted to talk about the Boston thing that happened like a couple days ago. I don't know what the hell happened. There was a general thunderstorm, turned into a full-blown supercell. I mean, I don't know. That was really weird. That was very weird. Look at that. Shit, man. Wow. Dude, I really don't want to go. This is amazing. You know how many we've caught so far? I think that's like maybe 20? I lost count, but like all of them were either to the sea or to the ground. All of them. Not even one. My God, I think I'm gonna have to end it here. The bugs are getting so bad. Sorry, but at least I got to catch like quite a few. These bugs are intolerable right now. These bugs are terrible. God. Just awful. Awful. God. Oh my God. It's like everywhere. Like I think you saw the bugs on the screen. They're just everywhere. Here's a little better. Okay. It's a little better here. Wow, look at that. Sick. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna go because the bugs here are just biting every single part of me. Maybe one more, and I think that'll do it. Sunset, look at that. Just yellow. Holy. It's cool as hell. One more? Come on. Give me a big banger before I leave. Big banger. Oh, nice. Alright, guys. I'll see you in the next video. We'll see if we got any thunderstorms in East Brunswick. I doubt it, but it was a great thunderstorm here offshore. Again, if you want to know where this was in South Amboy. And we're seeing all the lightning from the southeast, I think. This is from the New York City perspective. A little south, so I'd say Sandy Hook, Hazlitt. I think it's just going offshore, just from what I'm seeing off the lightning. But yeah, that will do it pretty much. And Sick storm. Sick storm. Nice storm. That was cool. Wow. All right. See ya, guys.